Hello friends, welcome to our tech episode #1. So our today's topic is Intel chips versus AMD chips. At first we will know what is Intel. Intel stands for Integrated Electronics. Intel Corporation is an American multinational corporation and technology company headquartered in Santa Clara, California in Silicon Valley. It was invented by Robert Noyce. It is the developer of the first x86 processor Intel 8086. Now we will know about AMD. AMD stands for Advanced Micro Devices. It is an American multinational semiconductor company based in Santa Clara, California. It was invented by Jerry Sanders, Jack Gifford, John Carey. It started supplying x86 processors as a second source manufacturer and became a competitor with AM386. Now we will know about advantages of using Intel chips. For netbooks, Intel's Atom CPU uses very little electricity, as little as 5 watts. A comparable AMD CPU may use 2 to 3 times as much wattage, which has a noticeable effect on a netbook's battery power. As Intel CPUs are more common in the market, a wider range of motherboards is available. This means you can choose from a wider variety of features. It's time to know about disadvantage of using Intel chips. One disadvantage of Intel processors is the price. As a highly recognizable brand name, Intel's products often sell for more than comparable counterparts from lesser-known microprocessor makers. Another issue with some Intel processors, such as the Core 2 Duo, is heated. Some of Intel's more powerful multi-core processors produce a great amount of heat, requiring multiple fans for cooling. Here are some advantages of AMD processors. If you are a gamer who does not have enough funds, lucky buddy, because the processor is good for gamers whose price is quite cheap when compared with Intel. AMD makers have an idea to add virus malware detection features. This feature is called Enhanced Virus Protection (EVP). Here are some disadvantages of using AMD chips. AMD more often expels heat. That's because AMD does not use the heatsink as its main cooling component. Some AMD still uses the fan as a cooling component. Some people have gone to ice cooler to reduce the noise that is not pleasant to hear. For friends who like the multimedia world, I recommend not to use this processor in the process you do. Better to use Intel only because it is power. So let's talk about both chips' price. Sure, they aren't better at everything, but while high-end Intel CPUs are mostly a better choice for enthusiasts and some professionals due to their overclocking abilities and superb single-core performance, Ryzen offers so much more for less money when it comes to gaming. Let's talk about both chips' performance. Each chip has comparable performance against competing chips in its price range, making this largely a wash for most users. Winner: AMD. For professionals on the hunt for performance in content creation and productivity applications, the winner of AMD vs Intel CPUs goes to AMD on the strength of its higher core counts. Let's talk about both chips' benchmarks. In the AMD vs Intel, the Core i9 9900 Kelvins has a base frequency of 3.6 GHz and a maximum boost frequency of 5 GHz, compared with the Ryzen 9 3900X's base 3.8 GHz speed and 4.6 GHz maximum boost. Here, at least on pure specs, the Ryzen 9 3900X wins hands down. It comes with support for 3200 MHz DDR4 memory and a whopping 70 MB L3 cache on the die. If this video anyhow helped you, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Sharma Tech and follow us on Instagram for latest tech updates.